In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find out what's trending here on Redbubble. Now, there are lots of tools that you can use, but you can also use just Redbubble and completely for free. Now, all that we have to do is come up to the search bar, and if we click on there and look down here, when we see this little arrow going up, these are trending searches, as it says so just here, trending searches. So right off the bat, we can see that Taylor Swift, Helldivers and Resident Alien are all trending here on Redbubble. Now, if you want to find more, all you have to do is go through the letters on your keyboard and you will find more. So if I type in Q, we can see down here, I can't say that word, but Quadball, Quake Game, these are trending. Now, if we do W, we can see Wonka Bar, Watercolor, Water Boys, and if we continue to go through all the rest of the alphabet, we can see even more. So Ellie Williams, End Gun Violence, this is currently trending on Redbubble. If we do R, we can see that Resident Alien, and many more. So that's how easy it actually is to find trending searches here on Redbubble. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.